In this section, we are going to discuss financial statements. There are many different types of financial statements, but the most important are these three: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the statement of cash flow. Let us start with income statement, but before that, let us understand what is a fiscal year. A fiscal year or financial year, or sometimes also referred to as budget year, is a period that a company or government uses for accounting purposes and for preparing financial statements. In many jurisdictions, regulatory laws regarding accounting and taxation require such reports once per 12 months. But they do not require that the period reported on should constitute a calendar year, that is 1st January to 31st of December.